cooling down the engine. We came up some pretty steep hills. So I've got the truck pulled over and the heater on. See if we can draw some heat from the engine. Seems to be working. Yeah, it's working much faster. Okay, and then I've just got heat. Heat on, AC off. I don't want that. And we'll see how fast that's coming down. Yeah, coming down nicely. Okay, this is working. The truck didn't stop, it just was struggling to get up this last hill. So I looked at my gauges and saw that it was hot, and have this nice turn off at the top of the hill. So maybe this has happened to people before. And we are in Oklahoma on our way to Broken Bow. Okay, this is working splendidly. Okay. Sweet. Okay, everybody have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.